Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you inside the tranquil world of modern Japanese homes, where minimalist design meets nature in the most elegant way. Get ready to explore how these homes redefine comfort and aesthetic appeal. Modern Japanese homes are celebrated for their minimalist aesthetics and a seamless blend with nature. These architectural marvels are crafted by renowned firms, each with unique characteristics that enhance both functionality and visual tranquility. Innovation is key in these designs. From captivating forms to functional architectural components, each home boasts a distinct character. The spacious interiors allow residents to customize their living spaces, from cozy nooks to grand, elegant rooms. Every element is designed with a dual purpose, beauty coupled with practical benefits. Features like sun-shielding blinds and draft-eliminating window frames ensure comfort is never compromised. Embracing nature doesn't stop at design. Natural materials like wood and concrete are skillfully used to create a sense of organic harmony. Moreover, these homes are designed to maximize natural light, with rooms adorned with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views. The connection with nature is profound. Living spaces effortlessly extend to beautiful gardens, blending the indoors with the outdoors, offering residents a peaceful retreat in their everyday lives. These homes are more than just places to live. They are sanctuaries of calm and beauty, reflecting the deep-rooted Japanese philosophy of simplicity and nature. They invite us to rethink what our homes can be, a place of peace, beauty, and practicality. The kotatsu, a low table with a heavy blanket, is a traditional Japanese home feature. During the colder winter months, the kotatsu, which has a heating element underneath, becomes an important part of our daily life. As we've seen today, modern Japanese homes are more than just places to live. They are sanctuaries of peace and practicality, designed with both beauty and usability in mind. If you're inspired by these minimalist yet functional designs, consider exploring more about Japanese architecture. One of the most striking features of modern Japanese homes is their ability to maximize natural light. Imagine rooms with walls of floor-to-ceiling windows, merging indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. Japanese house design often incorporates natural materials, clean lines, and a sense of balance and harmony. Traditional Japanese homes, called minka, feature sliding doors, tatami flooring, and wooden verandas. Modern Japanese homes use wood and concrete in different shades and textures and try to maximize natural light. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.